Welcome to my channel Beeline's Automotive. Are you wondering if it's time to replace your car battery? Hi, I'm from Beeline's Automotive. Today, we'll discuss the key indicators that your battery is nearing its end, as well as how regular inspections of used auto parts, engines, and transmissions can maintain the strength of your car. Your car battery is the heart of your vehicle's electrical system. Without it, your engine won't start, your lights won't shine, and you could end up stranded. But how do you know when it's time to replace it? Let's break down the top signs and what you should do next. Slow or failing engine start. If your engine takes longer than usual to crank or doesn't start at all, your battery could be losing its charge. Frequent jump starts are a big warning sign that your battery is failing and needs to be replaced soon. Dim or flickering lights. Have you noticed your headlights or dashboard lights are dim or flicker when you turn the key? This means your battery isn't supplying enough power to your car's electrical components. Electrical issues and warning lights. Modern cars have a battery warning light on the dashboard. If this light comes on or your power windows and other electronics are acting up, your battery may be to blame. Corrosion or swelling. Check under your hood. If you see corrosion around the battery terminals or the battery case looks swollen or leaks, it's time for a replacement. A bad smell, like rotten eggs, is another sign of a failing battery and can even be a safety hazard. Battery age. Most batteries last 3 to 5 years. If yours is older, it's smart to get it checked even if you haven't noticed issues yet. Use a multimeter to test the voltage. Below 11 volts means you need a new battery. Before we go further, hit that subscribe button for more expert car care tips from Beeline's Automotive. Engagement and used auto parts. Have you ever been stranded by a dead battery? Let us know in the comments. And remember, if you're looking to save money, used auto parts including batteries, engines, and transmissions can be a smart choice. Just be sure to match the correct size and check the part's condition before buying. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides on keeping your car running its best. Replacing your battery before it fails can save you time, money, and stress. And if you're in the market for quality used auto parts, engines, or transmissions, Beeline's Automotive is here to help. Reach out to us today. Toll free, 1-888-752-4286. Email, info@beelinesautomotive.com. Website, beelinesautomotive.com.